Clearview compact towing mirrors are just like a standard factory mirror, with the additional advantage of the extra visibility that Clearview's towing mirror extension provides. A large convex single mirror reduces objects that it reflects, allowing the driver to have a much wider field of view and diminishing blind spots. Like all Clearview towing mirrors, Clearview Compacts are true replacement mirrors, designed to use the same holes, fittings and wiring as your original mirrors for plug-and-play installation. All Clearview towing mirrors are engineered specifically for each vehicle and feature most of the same functionality as the vehicle's original mirrors. For a clearer view of your setup when towing or reversing, Clearview's compact mirrors can extend at a full 180mm for towing. Telescopic two-stage extension provides 3 towing positions to choose from and won't retract when driving at high speeds or when passing large trucks. When set to their normal driving position, the mirrors remain unobtrusive, perfect for your daily commute when you don't need extended mirrors or when you need to fit into tight spaces. Clearview Compacts are also great if you have a service body installed to allow you to see past your canopy where your standard mirrors can't. Clearview compact towing mirrors reflect the future of towing, one that is safer, smarter, and suited to modern demands.